Hi children, welcome back to our English class. I am thinking you're waiting for next part of the lesson, yes? Yes. Are you waiting for next part of the second lesson? What is the second lesson, children? The Emperor's New Clothes. What is the first part of the lesson? In this, who are the characters? Here, who are the characters? Narrator, emperor, two weavers, minister, officers, people in the kingdom, a little boy and little boy's father. These are the characters. Among these characters in this play, we have to learn about what will happen next. Yes, before that, before we are going, who wrote this? Hans Christian Andersen. Okay, in this, weaver means who makes clothes. That person known as weaver. And what is mission we have to prepare our clothes? That name loom. How like we are making clothes? With thread. Where we get the thread? Where we get the thread? From plants, from animals. So that is about characters and previous. And what is the part we have completed? What we have completed the half of the lesson. Here, emperor. Who was emperor? What is the meaning of emperor? King. So, king. Emperor means king. So here, in this kingdom, emperor is there. He was always fond of his new clothes. He wanted to wear every hour new coat because he was very fond of that and he wanted to show his dignity. Maybe whenever he wore that coat and he wanted to go that along the way, every normal people who are in his kingdom, all the people said how nice coat he has. They were thinking like that. No, that's what he wanted to wear new coat every hour. What I said? Hour. H is silent. So every 1 hour he wanted to wear new coat. That is the reason two rogues, two cheaters, dishonest men planned to cheat emperor. How like they have to cheated him? They said they disguised as weavers. They have to know how to weave new clothes with nice beautiful patterns. Patterns means design. So what happened? They wanted to weave some coat to the emperor. But what condition they have said? What condition? Whoever unfit or stupid persons, they could not see the cloth. They could not see the coat. What they made. What they have made. They gave before that condition to the emperor and attract him. Then what happened? Emperor thought that yes, whenever I have worn that, then I have to know who are in my palace. Those were fit or unfit. Those are clever or fools. I have to know. For that, he has an idea. He has gotten an idea and called them weavers. Then they asked emperor, how can we help you? How can we do something for you? Then he said, I want a new coat. Okay, immediately you have to start work. Who said to him? Whom? Emperor said to these two rogues, these two people. Then they have started. But what they have asked to emperor? you have to give me a good silk, okay, a finest silk and gold also, gold, brightest gold. We want to make the cloth, so we want this material. Then emperor gave to all some of money, some money also he gave, and the finest silk, some gold also he has given to them. Then what did they do with that? What king has given all the money, all the gold, all the finest silk, they kept in their pocket. They kept in their pocket because why did they keep? Why did they keep? Because they were cheaters. They don't know how to weave also, but they have a plan. They have a plan to cheat an emperor with their clever, with their ideas. So whenever emperor gave all the things, then they kept two ropes kept in their pocket, and they acted like at the loom, like weaving clothes. One day, emperor thought of that, always thought of that only because he was fond of coat. So he sent his minister to weavers. Minister went to that place, and he also thought of that because he could not see anything there. On loom, nothing there. But they were acting nicely. They were acting nicely. Then minister think a while. He was thinking, if I say anything to write, maybe if there is no any cloth, there is no any coat, there is no any such type of patterns and everything. Maybe I am a fool. They were decided by an emperor. That's what minister also thought once and said, yes, he was thinking about that. I don't want to say truth. Then weavers asked minister, dear minister, how was the pattern? Is it okay? Can we change anything, colors and everything? Very clever way. Then minister said to them, yes, this pattern is very nice. I am very happy with this pattern. I want to say to king also, an emperor also. Then they also pleased this answer, and they very glad to hear this, means very happy to hear this, and emperor also came to that place. Then emperor came to that place. After that, what happened? We will go to lesson. Yes, children, coming to our textbook, page number 25. Here we have completed up to here. So now coming to minister. Here first narrator said everything because narrator explained to us. Here king and minister both came to say weavers. Then minister, look your majesty, look at the beautiful design. What is your majesty? It is a polite way to call the king, your majesty. So minister said to emperor, look your majesty, look at the beautiful design, beautiful patterns. Emperor thinking, what is this? I cannot see anything at all. Am I not fit to be emperor? Am I fool? Because nothing there at the loom. But they have put already on condition. Whoever could not see the cloth, whoever could not see the pattern, those were unfit to their position. That's what king also thought of that. What is this? I cannot see anything at all. Am I not fit to be an emperor? Am I a fool? King was thinking himself. Emperor, yes, it is very pretty. It's very pretty, yes, acting. Because he also don't want to say any truth because he was unfit. Maybe he said any answer to any truth to them. So it's very pretty, very nice, very nice. I am very happy with this. And I felt happy. Then narrator explained us. They asked the emperor to wear a suit made from this cloth in a great parade that was soon take place. Parade means it's a procession. A ground, okay, ground. So all together, people, a crowd of people. So many people are there. So parade. So what happened? They asked. The weavers are very clever, no? So they asked the emperor to wear suit. What they made? What they made? Did they make anything? Nothing. But they said like that. The cloth in great parade that was soon to take place. Next time, parade means procession. So king always going to that place. Everyone watched him. That is parade. This is a celebration. Parade celebration. So you have to wear this, sir, for that great parade. They said. Weavers, the clothes are ready, sir. Weaver said, the clothes were ready, sir. Emperor, this is wonderful. Let me put on my new suit. I want to wear this one. Because he was eagerly waiting for that. So weavers, see, here is the coat. Here is the cape. What does it mean by cape? Cape means like full dress, it's a full dress. It's a full dress. It's a loose coat. It's a loose coat. So from head, top, neck to foot. So here is the coat. Here is the cape. Who said this? Weavers. See, here is the coat. Here is the cape. Here are the trousers. Minister, it is marvelous. Really wonderful. Really beautiful. He said like that. The narrator. And yet, all the time, they could not see anything because there was nothing. Reality is there was nothing. But they managed that because they already, weavers or rogues, already kept one condition for that. The emperor took off his clothes and the rogues acted. Pretend means acted. Already I have explained this. Pretending means acting. Pretended to put on each new garment as it was ready. Garments mean cloth. Cloth. So what is garment, cloth or dress? What they have made. So garment as it was ready. They pretended like that because they very busy with that. They tired. They got tiredness, exhausted. They felt like that because they were acting. They were acting. So minister said, how handsome His Majesty looks in his new suit. He was acting. Minister also was acting. What he said? How handsome His Majesty looks in his new suit. Oh, so much of nice maybe whenever he wore that. Narrator, the emperor turned round and round in front of the mirror and looked and nodded in his head. Because nothing there, he satisfied himself. He wanted to disguise his inner sense and said that okay, this is good, like this turning, and oh yes, this dress is very nice, very beautiful, like that. Emperor, I am ready. He wore the dress and he said, I am ready for great parade. Narrator, the emperor marched along the streets and all his officers marched behind him. Marching. March. What is mean by march? This is not a month. Marched. Already Republic Day. On Republic Day, we have celebrated this. Marched. For our chief guest. Guest of honor, we have marched for this. Here, sir, our PET is prepared you, further trained you. You have did for our chief guest. This is march means one great person stand in front of you. So for behind him you have to be do that. What is that? Giving respect to him. Giving respect to him. For that we have to do this march. So like how handsome the emperor marched along the streets. Every street in the kingdom he wanted to march. Means he wanted to move along all the streets. Then all his officers, his kingdom people, ministers, all that, those are also followed him. People in the streets. How handsome the emperor's clothes are. They are also acting. They are also saying what? How emperor was handsome. What a perfect fit. How comfortable he was. What a marvelous colors. So much of nice colors. They were acting. And narrator, no one wanted to say that. They could not see anything. They were not dare to say. Because they were only people in the kingdom. How like they say to their king. Like anything, any mistake happened here. How like you, maybe some of them very frightened to the teacher. If it is mistake also, they won't be say anything because fear. Okay. They are afraid of that person or place. Now, they were afraid that people would think they were stupid. Maybe if they said anything means what the reason, what is the situation of the person? He was stupid. Already we were said that condition. That's what they don't want to open their mouth. What they said? The handsome. Who was handsome? Emperors were handsome. How was the clothes? Those were marvelous. Little child, but he was nothing on. One little child no, he doesn't know anything. That's what he shouted. Nothing was on. But he was nothing on. He did not wear anything. How like you are saying like that? He said like that. Whenever he said at that moment, his father, little child's father came to him and asked that. Little child's father, shh, don't say like that. Don't say like that. Narrator, but the people began to whisper to one another what the child had said. Reality is what child had said like actually. So whenever child had said the truth, then onwards, one by one, they are whispering. They are whispering about the truths. Before that, no one opened their mouth. But whenever child said, then they had started whispering one another. People in the streets, he has nothing on, started. They also started because already one child started that truth. Then they got courage. They started. They also started. He has nothing on. A child says he has nothing on. He has nothing on. No clothes on emperor's body. So he was nothing on. Narrator, the emperor heard what they said and he shivered because shame. We felt shame means how like we were, how felt we are. Some of them, you did mistake, so some of them pointed you. Then how can you feel? How can you feel and how can you keep your head like this shivered? They are saying truth only. I am not realizing. Did you realize like this or not? Like this, king also. The emperor heard what they said and he shivered. He knew that their words were true because nothing was on him. Nothing was on him. We were such cheaters. He knew that, but he did not realize before that. Whenever the little boy said that, again people also joined with him. Then he realized, but it would never do not stop the procession. But if he started, maybe he was unfit, no? An emperor. That's what he would not stop procession. Procession means it's like our goddess festivals. How like we are celebrating Like all the people, like crowd, they are going, moving one place to other to celebrate the feast. Here also procession. So a line of people or vehicles moving slowly along the street as a part of an event. They are celebrating an event, so they have to be share the event. Everyone along crowd of people move like a line. This is known as procession. So they would not stop procession, and so he held himself stiffer than a word. Means he felt himself. No, they said also, it's true also. I don't want to stop here. I want to stiff. I want to control myself. Who thought like this? An emperor, because he has known the truth. Then he stiff before stiffer than before that, because before maybe he thought of that, yes, they were correct. Maybe his mind changed. He would stop, means everyone said that how foolish emperor. Yes or no? That's what he did. He would not stop that, and he strongly decided that I would not stop. I would continue this because I am not a stupid. And behind him his officers carries the invisible train. Invisible train means like they attached the procession one after like chain wise. That is train, invisible train. This is about our lesson. So whoever saying anything to us, we have to think. If we are fond of that, we liked so much also, we have to be things while, and we have to move forward. What is the moral and message of the story? Whoever saying anything, we have to first confirm it is right or wrong. Okay, then only we have to take a step and move forward. Or else, like this, an emperor, we have to be foolish. We are the foolish than others. Whenever those weavers got a chance to cheat an emperor, how like he got? How like he cheated by them, because they heard about his fond of new clothes. You also, maybe you fond of chocolates, you fond of your toys. Then some other people, strangers will come to you and ask you, take this toy, and will take you. So be aware of strangers. This is the main message from this story. Be aware of strangers and don't believe everyone. You have to believe yourself first. Take your decision what your incense, sense, what they think, what they thought, you have to be do like that. Okay. Now you are child, so maybe you don't know how to do or what to do. Then ask your parents, elders. Then you can take a new step. But don't take your own any steps, and don't do mistake like as an emperor. Don't be foolish. Okay children, this is about our lesson, The Emperor's New Clothes Part 2. Now coming to, this is lesson over. Now coming to our vocabulary. What is vocabulary? What is vocabulary children? Vocabulary means it's a new words. What we have used new words, what we have learned new words, those words we have to use in lessons or writings or readings. Here first comprehension. After the lesson you have comprehension children. So here choice, multiple choice you have. So read the question carefully, understand first. 2 or 3 times you can read, no problem at all. And correct answer you have to be tick or mark that and write the answer. This is about comprehension 1. The rogues pretend to be, how like? Weavers. Next, vocabulary. Here, vocabulary means, what is vocabulary? New words. What new words we have learned? What we are talking about in this lesson? About clothes. About clothes. Before that we don't know who we may be made by clothes weavers only. That machine called loom. Okay, we want thread for clothes. We don't know this material. So now we have an idea about that. Now what is clothes? Do you say some words about clothes? What do you have? Trousers. Okay, pants, shirts, frocks. Here, what we learn, cape. It's a new word. Cape. It's a loose coat. It's a loose coat. Suit. What do you have? Suit. Suit. Like they were using for how like they have to be decent clothes. Those are decent, dignified clothes. Okay, coat and trousers, pants, trousers. This is about trousers. Coat as usual we know that. Coat as usual we know that. Yes, who will wear this coat? Like lawyer coat. Yes, even though raincoat, we are wearing raincoat, right? Raincoat after in winter season. Sweaters, that is also like coat. We are wearing suit, like a full fan, shirt also there. Cape, it's a loose coat. Trouser, pants. This is about your vocabulary. Now, they have given some work to you. It's very interesting because they have drawn for you a snake. See, some snakes. Some snakes are there. Within the snakes, on that snakes, like snake means so snake is there. So here actually a snake stripes are there, but here meanwhile the stripes letters are there. Okay, for example, cape, trouser. Okay, like this there. So what you have to do? What is the word is there? First, what item do you wear on your legs? Legs, what you have? Trouser. You have to circle the word. That is enough. Circle the word. Now, another question. Which items keep your warm coat? Another snake will be there. Yes, another snake will be there. In this C-O-A-T, like stripes are there. You have to be underlined coat. One snake have many names also. So you have to be circle the word. Each word, circle the word and write aside if you want. If you have interest, you have to be write in another book also or keep aside. Here, which items do you wear on your legs? Trousers, jeans, jean fans. Maybe your birthdays or any celebrations, festivals, whenever the occasion will come, you just ask your parents, I want jeans. Yes or no? Yes. Jeans and trousers. That is. Which items keep you warm in winter season? Scarf. Yes. Coat. Coat we are wearing. Winter. And which items do you wear on your feet? Feet means what do you wear? Shoes, socks, yes or no? Shoes and socks and boots. These are keep warm to our feet. Which items do you wear when it's hot? It's so hot to us. So cotton clothes we are wearing, no? So t-shirts, shorts, these are wearing by us. This is about vocabulary. Hope you understand, children. First, what you want to do? You have to take textual pages, read once or twice, underline new words and find out the meaning and what here in textual exercises, comprehension 1, multiple choice and vocabulary, circle the words, what is question related to question, those answers you have to be circled on the snakes. snakes are there. So on that letters are there, you have to be circle the names. About that we have completed up to vocabulary. We will continue next class grammatical part. Yes, is it okay children? Now we'll go to next part in next video. We'll continue next class. Thank you children. Bye.